Welcome to Q Automated. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for notifications. Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about managing environments with Postman. So first of all, let us understand why we need environments, because there is possibility that you are testing the same API in different environments. Your development environments are different, your production environment is different, you might have a staging additional environment, and so for all this the request API is same, but the base URL is different for the different environments. So you can create your own environment and track that. Also, sometimes there is a possibility like login credentials are also different across your environments, and you don't have to edit your request each and every time when you are testing it for production environment or you are testing it for staging environment. You don't want to update your base URL, you don't want to update your credential each and every time before hitting it. So Postman functionality environments, you can use it to create different environments and manage your variables. So let's get started with this and check how to do it. So in the left panel in Postman, you can see environment section tab here. So here you can add a new environment. Okay, so we will we will add two environments here, a dev, and let's add a prod environment and prod environment. Okay, so I have added a URL variable, base URL variable, and I'll add a value to it. Let us add from our existing requests. Okay, so current value for this is this, and for prod I need to add a different URL. Okay, so let's be this. Okay, so now when you want to run the URL with a dev endpoint, you can select dev environment, and when you want to run your request or your collection suite with prod environment, prod URL, you can use this. Apart from this, you can add multiple variables. You can add your username, password specific to the environments, and all your environment specific variables you can segregate or group based on your test environment. Apart from this, there is an option where you can duplicate it, you can fork it, create the version of your environment. Also, you can manage roles. You can add different types of roles to your environment also, and you can manage that. Okay, now let us see how you can select your environment while you are executing your request. So I'm going back to my collections. So now when you use the URL variable, base URL variable in your request, you can select the environment from which you want to take the value, whether you want to take URL for the prod or URLs for the dev environment. From here, once you select this and hit send request in console, you can check how the request was composed here. So I have given it as a prod URL in the environment variable, and same you can check here, or also you can have an environment quick loop. What environment currently you are selected, it's a prod, what is the variable and what is the value for that variable, and this way you can edit also from here, and you can have a quick access from here also. So this is about environment. If you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you.